I run this Wayne. Got an Instant Pot, okay? That's not what this video is about today. Had a problem with the Instant Pot in, I don't know, 10 years. I don't know how long we've had it. But I want to show you what happened. There's a little piece right here, little silicone cap that goes on that relief valve right here. Like a little hat or something. It keeps that from falling out. Goes on there like that. Somehow it came up missing. I don't know if it's in the dishwasher. Somebody ate it. Ah, who knows? But I was trying to find one, and I thought, my goodness, it's a 10-year-old Instant Pot. We use it all the time. I don't want to be without it. So what I did, I got this whole kit here, and let's see. Comes with a new seal, new pressure relief valve, and I'm not sure what this is called. This little thing that pops up, pop-up valve or something. And it comes with some more silicone. It's a 10-piece set. Gonna fix whatever you need, pretty much, and a whole lot cheaper than a new pot. Let me tell you that. Well, if you got one, we know how much it costs. So, been using this since I got the new cap on it for I don't know, several months, and works like a dream, just like new. So. Anyway, I'm real happy about it. I just want to let you know. I mean, there's 8 million people out there doing videos on how they like their Instant Pots. We love our Instant Pot, and we got an 8-quarter, and just fabulous. So, if you need one, if you don't have one, you can get one, and you'll be glad you did once you learn how to use it. But this was a lifesaver, this kit, and you can get it right here now. Thanks. Bye now.